Now what I'm holding right here, it may look like one of those potato chip clips, but I can guarantee you this much. It has nothing to do with snacks, all right? Here's the thing. It's a tool, and if you work alone in your shop, this tool will serve you well. And I'm going to tell you what it is and how to use it coming up next. Hi everybody, I'm Leah of seejanedrill, and I just want to tell you this. People, they send me tools all the time. And most of the time, well, you never see the tools that people send me because, well, I have to use the tool and I have to believe in the tool. Otherwise, it never makes it on a seejanedrill video. Now, somebody sent me, this is called a V-line clamp. And the company that sent it to me 2 years ago. And to be perfectly honest with you, I've used it countless times and I love it. And so today I'm going to show you how to use this thing and why it's so valuable. Now you can clamp it on plywood, cement board, drywall, on anything that's large and awkward. So what you do is you take your tape measure and you stick it right in that slot there. And what it winds up being is like a second pair of hands. And you've got something to hold your tape measure while you extend the tape measure out. And then we can just take that measurement out as far as we need to take it. It could be an 8-foot stretch. It could be a 16-foot stretch. Whatever, it's going to hold it in place. Now this tool works great with a chalk line or with a tape measure, but I'm going to tell you this straight up. I use this tool 90% of the time with a chalk box. So I've got my clamp set on the corner of the drywall, and you can imagine how difficult this might be if you've got a big sheet of drywall and it's 4 by 8 and you're working alone. You have to make a diagonal cut. The way it works with the chalk line is you take the end of the chalk line clip there, and you insert it sideways into those 2 lines, just like that. Okay, so we take our chalk line and we stretch it out, pluck it. There we go. In addition, the V-line clip, it is ideal for projects and material like this form tube, okay? That's a little awkward to, you know, strike a line on. Also, I gotta tell you, V-line clamp is good for large pieces of stock, and it doesn't matter if it's plywood, drywall, or cementitious board. So that's it. That's the V-line clamp. That's why it's so convenient if you're working alone in a shop. Now what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description below the video so you can check out the V-line clamp for yourself. I think they run about $10 online. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.